Hello and welcome back, guys. You see another card in front of me, which means it's time for another unboxing. This time, this is from Mini GT. We are going to talk about what are the new drops for the month of August. This is going to be the first set. So let's check it out. Let's unbox. The first car we have is a BMW M3 Competition in a Touring Brooklyn Grey with gold wheels and a grey color. Then we have the LB Works, Abarth Works, Abarth 595 Fiat 500 in a grey. We've already seen this in pink, we've seen this in white, and now there is a stealthy grey. Is grey a theme here? Oh, another Veilside is back. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Veilside Combat C1. We saw that just last month in a beautiful grey, and this here is the gem red. And a little bit of trivia, this is already out in the market with some people, and that's because it was revealed at the MDX. You could buy it at the MDX for the Malaysian Diecast Expo 25. The blister packaging only, not the box pack. So now is your chance to get the box pack. But the blister pack is already out in the market with some people who had the privilege of attending the MDX 2025. So it was a pre-release, so to say. And we go even redder now. Is that even a word? Redder? Let me know in the comments. But this is the Ferrari SF23, the Formula One Gulf Air Ferrari racer from the Bahrain Grand Prix of 23. This is the Carlos Sainz car. This is, of course, a part of BBR. And of course, Sainz won't be alone. We have the Leclerc car as well from the Bahrain Grand Prix again. So both those cars are a part of the BBR. So the packaging, of course, is different. Doesn't say Mini GT anywhere. You can see the subtle BBR inclusion right there on the side. And even at the back, it doesn't say Mini GT anywhere. But yes, Mini GT is the one who makes these 1:64 scale models for BBR. More specifically, the Italians like Ferrari, Maserati, etc. Even Alfa Romeo, if I'm not wrong. And speaking of Ferrari, we have one more BBR Ferrari, a beautiful yellow 812 Competizione. Again, the subtle BBR models branding on the side. And unlike a Kaido house, it's essentially going to slide out from here. And that is what will reveal the model. And we will do the unboxings for all of these models. Interestingly, like I said, it doesn't have Mini GT branding anywhere, but it says produced under license of MCG, Maestro, and Burago. So Maestro and Burago probably have the license for the design. The manufacturing is done by Mini GT. So compared to a 1:64 that you can buy from Maestro or Burago, the details are going to be very different, but we'll get into that when we unbox this car. So that's your 812. And the next car we have from the box is a green Revuelto, another Italian steed. This one is in Verde Salvans. So that's the green Revuelto. I had the privilege of driving one of these in Italy just last year and just brings back memories of that car. So this is another car that we'll be unboxing. So let me know which of these do you want me to start unboxing, in what order. We have the three Ferraris, of course. We have the Revuelto. We have the Veilside, R32, the BMW, and the Fiat Abarth. So let me know the order in which you want me to start unboxing them, and we'll go accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so now. And until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.